What if you could make money even while you're asleep? In 2025, that's not just a dream, it's reality for millions of people building passive income streams. If you want to stop trading time for money and start building real freedom in 2025, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to break down 5 powerful and realistic passive income ideas that are working right now. These aren't get-rich-quick gimmicks, they are real opportunities to build wealth over time, even if you're starting with zero. So do well to follow me till the end of this video. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Digital products. Ebooks, courses, templates, or even digital planners. Once you create it, it sells while you sleep. Sites like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy make this easy. The key: solve a real problem. Example: you can create a guide like how to budget your first $1,000 or a 30-day fitness tracker and upload it to Etsy. People are searching for these every day. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote someone else's product and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. No inventory. No customer service. Just traffic and trust. Platforms like ClickBank, Impact, and Amazon Affiliates are great starting points. Bonus tip: look for products with recurring commissions, that way you keep earning every month as long as the customer stays subscribed. Number 3. YouTube automation. You don't even have to show your face. Faceless YouTube channels in finance, motivation, or education can bring in revenue through ads, affiliate links, and sponsors. Number 4. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay you just to hold their stock. It's slow at first, but if you reinvest the dividends, this stream compounds beautifully. Think long-term here. Pro tip: use apps like M1 Finance, Fidelity, or Robinhood to build a portfolio and set it to auto-reinvest. Now, before revealing the next passive income stream, for more content on how to grow and build your life to success, kindly like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will get notified whenever we drop a new video. Have also included a playlist to the description for you to learn the hidden secrets and success habits to wealth which top millionaires do not reveal. Now let's explore the last. Number 5. Print on demand. Design once, get paid over and over. T-shirts, mugs, notebooks, and more. You upload your design to a platform like Redbubble or Teespring, and they handle the rest. Niche tip: focus on specific niches like entrepreneurs, gamers, or spiritual quotes. Those communities love unique merch. Passive income won't make you rich overnight. It isn't about being lazy, it's about being smart. The key is to get started, but consistency and strategy will get you there. Which of these 5 will you try first? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to smash like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more ways to unlock your full potential this year. This is your year. Let's build wealth the smart way.